To make a call, you can pick up your handset and type in the number you would like to call. Then touch the dial soft key to initiate the call. Alternatively, to place the call through your speakerphone, dial the number with the handset in the cradle. Then touch the dial soft key to initiate the call. If you are a headset user and you are using a compatible headset, you can dial the number. Then touch the dial soft key to initiate the call and your headset will automatically connect. Remember, if you are entering a number that is outside your local region, to enter the area code. If you are entering an international number, enter the international code, as example 0061, then the number. If you have buttons programmed on your phone with internal or external numbers, you can touch the programmed button to call.